This video explains about Consolidated e-Invoice in AutoCount Accounting 2.2. Now, I will show how to generate the Consolidated e-Invoice. First, go to Sales, Cash Sale, click on New. Then I will create a new cash sales. Bill them one mouse. Then make a payment. Then I will double-click the another cash sale. Click on Void. Click Yes, click Yes. Then you can see this cash sales is void cancel already. Then go to e-invoice, Consolidated e-Invoice. Click on New. Set the date range. Then tick both invoice and cash sales. Click on Generate. Click Yes. Click Save. Then the e-invoice's status will show to pending. The e-invoice's status will change to submitted after a few seconds. Then the e-invoice's status will show valid once get validation from LHDN. Then double-click. Then you will see the CS-00003 will skipped due to canceled. Then the CS-00004 will created under new line. Click on Preview. Select Consolidated e-Invoice, click OK. Then you can see the LHDN validated link. You can scan or click the QR code, go to the e-Invoice portal to see the detail. And that's all for Consolidated e-Invoice in AutoCount version 2.2. By following these steps, you're ready to manage e-invoices efficiently and generate the Consolidated e-Invoice properly. For more tips, like, share, and subscribe. Need more info? Scan the QR code to join our community group. If you want to buy our product, you can contact 0162-013628 for inquiries. If you want to ask a question about the system, you can contact 010-380-3628 for support team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.